here, and today, as you can tell from the title, we have another Decoden video. A few weeks ago, I posted making this beautiful phone case, which I absolutely love and I'm obsessed with, and I think it's super cute. However, I very quickly ran into a problem that I really didn't think would happen. So this little strawberry here blocks the camera on my phone, so it makes it basically impossible to vlog, to take photos, to do anything with my phone that I need to do. So I decided to use the supplies that I have to make another phone case. Even though this one is perfectly fine and I will still hold on to this, I'm gonna be making a new phone case. So if you would like to see my brand new phone case, just keep on watching. I will insert right here a photo or a video, I can't remember what I took, of the finished phone case so you can see it up close. Oh my goodness, it came out so cute. I still technically have to put it on my phone, but it's mostly because I need help doing that because I have nails and I can't like take apart the phone case by myself. But oh my goodness, this came out so cute. And what I like is because it has the clear part, my phone is like a pastel green color, so I think it'll look really cute all together. And the other thing I did, because I had extra materials, I went and made this adorable little Kirby deco. And this Kirby deco I did on top of a translucent powder that I use. So I just thought this would be super cute. And then that way when I run out of the powder, I can just put like other powder in it, or I could use the container for like things. I just thought it was a super cute way to use up some of my materials because I didn't want to waste it, because then it's just, it feels bad when I hate wasting materials. But yes, if I don't, I will get a clip of this like on my new phone. Not the new case on my phone, so you can see it up close. I haven't decided yet what keychain I want to put on, because the thing is, like, these aren't like Cure Coral colors. Cure Coral is kind of my go-to to throw on my phone. I don't know who I want to put on my phone now, and that's kind of exciting. Like, it leaves room for opportunities, so debating who to put on my phone with this case. And I purposefully made sure nothing was here near the camera of my phone. Don't make the same mistake that I did, and just make it so it works with your phone. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know what color, what series, what thing should I Decoden next? Because honestly, next on my list, I kind of want to do a hairbrush. I think a hairbrush would be fun. I also really like seeing Decoden picture frames, so I think I might deco a picture frame and put like a really cute like idolized photo in it. I don't know. I just think it would be nice. Follow me over on Instagram and Twitter to see cosplay content, and sometimes when I'm working on different craft projects, I will post little like preview pictures over there. So if you like to see what I'm working on, just follow me over there. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!